Hey guys, welcome to the new lecture of Study Adda. Today we will discuss about some symmetric question of resistance in physics. This question is basically designed for JEE Main and IIT JEE and PMT examination. So consider this question. We have to find resistance between A to B. This is B and this is A. So how to find resistance in this type of question? So there are a trick which is involved in this type of question, that is known as plane of symmetry. So let's discuss about this question. Here we can't find whether it is in series, it is in parallel. We can solve this type of question by using Kirchhoff law or using method of symmetric. So how to solve this question? Firstly, you have to see, we have to find resistance between A and B, and if we draw a line between A and B, it will cut down A and B in two symmetric parts. It means if let's say this point is P, resistance between AP is equal to resistance between PB, or if you fold out PB portion along this side, it will fit on AP. So to finding resistance of this type of question, you have to find plane of symmetry, and we have drawn plane of symmetry, and this is R, 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 this point is A, and let's say this is P, this is R by 2. Since this resistance is divided in two equal halves, so this resistance will become R by 2, and RAB will become equal to 2RAP. Since we have divided AB into two parts, into equal parts, since RAB equal to 2RAP, so for finding resistance between AB, we have to find resistance between AP. So resistance between AP, you can see these two branches in parallel. So this will become R, this will become R, and parallel resistance of these two resistance are R into R by 2 upon R plus R by 2, that is equal to R square by 2 upon 3R by 2, that is equal to R by 3. So this resistance become R by 3, and this is A point and this is P point. Now you can see these two portion is in series. So now we have to find resistance between AP, and since these two resistance are series, so RS equal to R plus R by 3, that is 4R by 3. Since you can write here 4R by 3, and it is R. Now these two resistance are in parallel, so RP or RAP equal to R into 4R by 3 upon R plus 4R by 3, that is equal to 4R square by 3 upon 7R by 3 equal to 4R by 7. So RAP equal to 4R by 7, and we have to find resistance of this circuit. So RAB equal to 2RAP, and RAP we have calculated the value of RAP equal to 4R by 7. So RAB equal to 2 into 4R by 7 equal to 8R by 7. So by using this method we can find resistance between asymmetric circuit. So again we have recall this method or summarize this method. If you have to find resistance between these 2 points which is symmetrical to a plane, if we put here a plane or here a plane, you can see mirror image of this portion toward right. So divide AB into 2 part, AP and PB, and now calculate resistance between RAP, which is very simple. Calculate it here, and RAB equal to 2RAP. By using this, you can solve resistance problem. Thanks friend. If you like this channel, please like this video and subscribe and comment down on our channel. Goodbye.